Downloading your account data from Kraken is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your information. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you are using a secure network to protect your account information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Access the Export Data section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Export or Data Export section. This is where you can find options to download your account data, including transaction history and balances. Step 4. Choose the data type and date range. Select the type of data you wish to download, such as transaction history or account statements. You may also need to specify a date range for the data you want to export. Step 5. Download the data file. After selecting your preferences, click on the Download button. The data will typically be provided in a CSV or similar format, which you can save to your device for future reference. In conclusion, following these steps will allow you to easily download your account data from Kraken. Make sure to keep your data secure and review it regularly for your records.